All right, what is up, Mythic Crew? Welcome back to another episode. So today, I'm just checking out some of the wiring on the 350Z. We only have our low beams, and I'm trying to get the high beams to work. Just getting stuff prepared. I have big news coming, so stay tuned. We have to get a few more things done on the car, but then we have something really exciting happening with the 350Z. So let's get right to it. Alright, Mythic Crew, the camera died, but I finished the wiring, got the front bumper back on the 350Z, and now I've got the high beams and the low beams both working, so we're good there. I've got a whole bunch of other things that we're gonna be adding to the car and just kind of tightening things up. The big news is coming soon, so stay tuned while I go through what we're gonna do today. To start, I've got some bolts and some washers. We're going to hook the front bumper onto the fenders. Right now I have some bolts that don't fit too well, but these should fit a lot better. So we're gonna tighten up the front bumper, get it attached a little bit tighter. I've also got a mini fire extinguisher that we got to bolt inside the car within reach of me. All right, I've got a battery tie down, and I've got a couple eye nuts that I'm gonna try to stretch out so that I can make a battery hold down bracket for this 350. Since they have a really weird type of bracket, I'm gonna try to make my own and make this work because we need to have the battery tied down. Also, I have terminal covers for the battery, and we have to add one of these to at least the positive side. Gonna add one to both. And then we've got one lug stud on the rear side here. One of them was cross-threaded, so we've got to get that knocked out. And we've got a coolant return reservoir. And I think that's just about it for the things that I need to get done on the 350Z. Now let's go through them. Alright, Mythic Crew, I think that means that we have everything done on the 350Z. We got the coolant overflow, we got a battery tie down, we have a fire extinguisher, we got the lug stud changed, I did an oil change, fluid top off. We've got just about everything done. And I'm gonna give you the really big news in the next video, so stay tuned for that.